Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disconnect Google account from Claude AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official Claude AI website. Once the website loads, make sure you are signed in to your account. After logging in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile initials. A small menu will appear where you need to select the settings option. Inside the settings page, you will see multiple options available. From there, click on the Connectors section. After opening it, click on the Customize option, which will take you to the page where all of your connected services and integrations are managed. Here, you will find a list of connectors currently linked to your Claude AI account. If you want to disconnect Google, simply locate the Google Drive or any other connector related to Google, and then move to the top right corner of that section and click on the Disconnect button. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to remove the connection. Go ahead and confirm the action and your Claude AI account will be disconnected from Google Drive successfully. And that's it. So that's basically how you can disconnect Google account from Claude AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.